to my channel. My name is Annalise. I absolutely love Halloween. I love to shop. So this time of year is my favorite because there's so many cool spooky items out there that you just can't get all year round. So in today's video, we are going to do a Halloween haul. I have a couple of home decor items, I have some clothes, and at the very end, I have a Halloween DIY that I want to do as well. So without further ado, let's get on into it. So I absolutely love Tim Burton. As we know, I'm a big fan. I know so many useless facts about him because I am just obsessed with all of his movies. And as such, when I saw that Romwe had a Corpse Bride collection, you know I had to get some things. So I've only shopped on Romwe once before, years and years ago. I did a review on it and I honestly don't even remember what I said, but if I've not shopped on it since, it can't be all that great. Oh my gosh, you guys, if you love Halloween, you're gonna absolutely froth at these items because this is the first top that I got, this beautiful Corpse Bride crop top. So it just says Tim Burton's Corpse Bride and it has them holding hands. Stop, that's so cute. Here we have the top on, so this is what it looks like on the front and then this is the back. I love this so much because it's a crop top, but it's actually like a good length. I find a lot of the time with these baby tees that they come to like here and then my bra's kind of poking out the bottom. It's a little too short to where I'm like, if I reach, I'm flashing everyone. So I like that this is a little bit longer. So I got this in the size small and it just fits me so perfectly. The quality of this top as well is not something I expected from Romwe. I thought for sure that this was going to be really poor quality, not look good, and that the photo was going to be like all blurred and distorted and just look all around bad, but this is like really good. I ordered these quite a while ago when I first started getting the ads, so I don't actually remember what all of these items are. I just know that I was very excited when I bought them, so you're seeing my live reaction. Oh, okay, so this top, super cute, not a part of the Corpse Bride collection. Whilst I was there, I just thought if there's any cute sort of Halloween-esque items, I would get them as well. And this top, I mean, that is so funny. It's so cute, so sexy, and I love it. So this is obviously skeleton hands in rhinestones, which is just so me. My two personalities combined. My love of all things sparkly and my love of all things spooky. Here we have the crop top on. So this is the front and this is the back. It's really not the best quality at all. Like, it's really poor quality actually. These are gonna snap really easily, these little straps, because they're not sewn on very well, but it is like a funny little top that I do like the design of. By design, I mean I like the skull handprints. I think that's really fun. The next item that I got was from the Corpse Bride collection. Oh, this was my favorite, like the one I was looking forward to the most. So this is what it looks like. It's got the print of Emily and Victor, got the butterflies all over it and some lace down the bottom, and it says, "Can the living marry the dead?" because like that's a theme throughout the movie. So I thought this was gonna be a little bit better made. Like, this kind of looks like a PJ top to me because it's lacking that structure. I think that's really what it needs to keep it all together, and the print isn't as good on this one. Like, as you can see, they're a little bit blurry, which I really don't like. Let's go try it on. Maybe once it's on, it won't look like a PJ top. Here we have this crop top on. So this is the front, oh gosh, and this is the back. This skirt's a little bit short sometimes, so I just had to make sure I wasn't flashing y'all, but I'm disappointed in this top. So disappointed. We started on such a high with that first t-shirt and I feel like it's just gone downhill since because this top just doesn't look cute at all. I feel like it's mainly the neckline. It's really high up, which is personal preference. I prefer it to be like a little bit lower cut, but I just feel like the whole design of having the little bow here and the lace, it looks to me more like a PJ shirt than an actual like top I'd want to wear out and about. I thought this was going to become like one of my favorite tops ever, but unfortunately I don't think I'm going to keep this one. But speaking of PJ tops, I did see that Romwe had a Corpse Bride PJ set. So this is the top, and I would argue that this looks more like a wearing out and about top than that previous one that I showed you guys. So just has a picture of Emily on the front and then the lace all over it, and then these are the matching little pants, the PJ pants, and it says Tim Burton's The Corpse Bride on it with the white lace. I adore these. I think that this is such a cute little set, and this is like, I don't know why, this is definitely a me thing, but I get embarrassed about pajamas. Like, if I'm staying over at friends or something, I always get so self-conscious of my PJs of all things. Like, it's not like they're ugly or anything. I don't know, I just get really weird about it. But I feel like this is a set that I wouldn't be like embarrassed by wearing, if that makes sense. Here we have the PJ set on. So this is the front and this is the back. I don't know how much of my butt is hanging out, so I'm just gonna cover it just in case. But starting with that t-shirt was definitely the wrong idea because I thought that all the items were gonna be just as good quality, just as gorge, but turns out that was the only real good item of the bunch. So I like this. Like, it's a cute design. The little Tim Burton Corpse Bride, the lace, stunning, but it does sit kind of weird on me. As you can see, like, they've put way too much fabric for the armpit area and they haven't done the neckline properly. Also, all of this lace is really itchy. I wouldn't recommend this one. Honestly, it looks like Romwe isn't a website to shop on, which is, I think, the conclusion I came to 5 years ago when I reviewed the website, but I don't know. I kind of hoped they'd gotten better enough. Clearly, they haven't. So those are all the clothing items that I bought for this Halloween season. However, I did buy a couple of home decor items as well. The first one is a Nightmare Before Christmas tarot card set. Now, I know this might seem really weird, and honestly, it is. Welcome to Annalise's fortune telling. I couldn't talk about these tarot cards without living out one of my fantasies, which is to become a TikTok tarot card reader. So today, I am going to read your tarot. Now, I know what you must be thinking. Annalise, isn't this not real? Don't you not have the credibilities? Trust me, babes, most of those TikTok tarot readers have no credibility either. I don't believe in TikTok tarot readers is that I am constantly getting readings that is like, he's coming back to you. Your ex-boyfriend misses you so much. The man of your dreams is on his way. I'm a lesbian. So what you need to do, babes, is right now ask a question, send it out into the universe, and I am going to pick 3 cards. The first card is the Knight of Potions. And apparently this card means it's time to explore ideas and causes that move you. The next card we have is the 4 of Candles. This means that people are recognizing your accomplishments, you're feeling stable, secure, and comfortable. And the last one is the Ace of Needles, but it was reversed. It says, have you been feeling lost in a fog, dazed, aimless, confused? Consider what you really want. What is it that they always say at the end? Take what resonates, leave what doesn't. I don't know, but thank you for coming to Annalise's readings. I hope to see you next time. The next home decor item that I got was actually a candle from Kmart, of all places. I used to be quite the candle snob, and I would only shop at Bath & Body Works, but you know, as I've gotten older, I can't really justify $45 on one candle, which is how much they cost in Australia. So when I saw that Kmart had this Witch's Brew, which is a apple and clove fragrance for only $10, I was like, yeah, sold. And I am obsessed with this candle. If you're Australian, head to Kmart right now and get yourself a Witch's Brew because this is so good. And now before the Americans say anything, I know you guys don't have Kmart anymore, but trust me, our Kmart is like your Target. We have Target in Australia, but it's not very good. It's not like your Target at all. When I say Kmart, I mean basically your Target. So those are all the home decor items that I bought. And the next Halloween themed items that I bought were 4 packets of fake barbed wire because we are going to do a DIY. I was scrolling through Pinterest the other day, as I do, and I came across these gorgeous boots. They are so cool. These black boots covered in silver barbed wire, and I was like, oh my gosh, not only is that just a gorgeous pair of boots to own in general, it looks like an art piece, which is my favorite sort of fashion. And I was like, I think I can make that. Let's go do it. Welcome to my craft desk, babe. I apologize about the sound. I do have the fan on, but it's 31 degrees Celsius today. This room has no aircon, and I've got the studio lights on me, so I am dripping in sweat. So I need this fan on. This just shows how unglamorous the life of a YouTuber is. I have a tea towel full of ice tucked into the back of my pants because I was so hot. I don't know, I needed some sort of cooling down. What my plan is here is I am going to simply glue these barbed wires onto my Lamoda boots because I got these a while ago and I've never worn them, so I feel like if I add the barbed wire, it'll make me want to wear them more. So I got 4 packets of this fake barbed wire from the Dollar and Cents shop, and it is 2.4 meters each. I probably don't need 4, but I just thought it's better to get too much than not enough. So what I'm gonna do is taking the barbed wire, I'm gonna first of all glue this like little end part on the arch of the heel here because that'll just give us a nice starting point to wrap this around in. I have seen your recommendations of using E6000 glue, but when I used to use it in the past, it used to always come with warnings that it causes cancer. I don't know if that's just like a warning that comes on all glue or what, but it's always scared me. So that's why I don't use E6000. I'm probably being a little bit silly, but I'm scared of E6000. Wow, what a statement. Honestly, I'm scared of E6000, but I am. I'm not gonna use it. Okay, so now that that is stuck on the bottom there, as you guys can see, I'm gonna slowly wrap around the barbed wire and glue it down. I was just thinking that before I continue, I might just stuff this boot with a towel because I'm really worried that I'm gonna glue all this barbed wire around and then I'll do it way too tight so that my foot can't even fit in the shoe. I know this looks really silly, but with the towel inside of it, it's now a lot chunkier. So this is what it'll be like when my ankle and leg is actually inside of it. I'm also gonna make sure the entire way up that I don't glue directly onto the zip because I need that. I need to get into the heel. Okay, I look psychotic right now, but this is a trust the process moment. We're in this together. I've obviously not done this before, but I'm feeling like it'll look good. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is the first boot done. Let me take the towel out. This is what she looks like. So, do I need another layer? I don't know. I don't want to overdo it but I also don't want to undo it. Do we think I need another layer? I wish you guys could tell me. Does it need more? After looking at this for a while, I decided it did need something else. And what I've decided I'm gonna do is to take these little barbed wires. I've just cut one off the extras and I'm gonna stick these little ones all over it because I feel like the boots needed something else, but I didn't really want to put any more of this like long stringy part on. I think that's enough of that. So the little barbs, I think you're gonna barbs. We're Nicki fans here, but I think that's gonna give the little extra pizzazz that it needs. I love these DIYs. Honestly, guys, I do really want to start my own shoe business one day. Like, I've always thought it'd be really cool to have my own clothing business or just something like that. So high heels, I feel like as well is so me, and that's where my passion truly lies. So I can definitely see that in my future. I just don't have any idea how one goes about starting a high heel business from scratch. But what do you guys think? Would you buy my heels if I started my own high heel brand? Let me know, because I definitely think it's something I would want to do in the future. And there we go. Adding those little bits of barbed wire has made the most difference. I think that looks so much better. These are what the boots look like on, and I am so happy with how they turned out. Honestly, they kind of remind me of something that the band Kiss would wear. I don't listen to their music, but they've been coming on my TikTok a lot lately with their outfits, and I absolutely love them. They're just so iconic. I mean, I'm sure you guys all know who they are, but these boots look like something they would wear, and they were so simple and so easy to DIY. So I'm really happy with how these turned out. They obviously don't look like the Pinterest photo, but I think I kind of took the Pinterest photo as an idea and then made these my own. So y'all will have to let me know what you think about these below, but I, for one, am very happy with how they turned out. Thank you so much for watching my Halloween haul, babies. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're still watching, be sure to comment down below whether you think The Nightmare Before Christmas is a Christmas movie or a Halloween movie, because people always want to debate me on this, and I'll be honest, I don't really have an opinion. I'm like, yeah, it's both. Let me know down below what your thoughts are. Also, whilst you're there, be sure to subscribe to my channel because I upload new videos every single week, sometimes twice a week. I am back on my YouTube grind and I am posting a lot more than I used to. So I am here every single week and then sometimes twice a week. I love you guys so much. I cannot wait to see you in my next video, and I love you, babies. Bye. Mwah!